What if Austria tried to restore Austro-Hungary? First, they would present the idea to the Hungarians, and they would accept, marking the return of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. They would invite all the countries that were once part of it, but they would all decline. Then they would begin their conquest, with Slovenia, which they would defeat easily. Then they would attack Slovakia. However, Czechia would also join the war. They would quickly take out Slovakia and would slowly push Czechia, eventually winning the war. Next, they would attack Croatia, but then something unexpected would happen. Bosnia and Serbia would also join the war. The Austro-Hungarian military would still be stronger and would start taking over Croatia, eventually expanding into Bosnia. Serbia would be forced to drop out after losing its allies, but not before ceding some of its territory. Austro-Hungary would then attack Romania. They would be able to push far, but because of the mountains, they would reach a stalemate. In the end, they would convince Romania to give up Transylvania. Then they would move on to Poland and start crushing them. However, Serbia and Romania would declare war, trying to reclaim their territories. Austro-Hungary would hold them back, but the resistance in the occupied countries would cause the collapse of Austro-Hungary and its defeat.